Hey everyone, today I'll be showing how I installed and put together my cupcake stand. First I took a drill and the drill bit and I drilled through. I'm taking my plates apart. I had a smaller inch plate and a wider inch plate, and there I'm untwisting the centerpiece. Next I'm going to put the screw at the bottom that's going to hold the top plate and the bottom plate together. And it's very easy to take apart and put together, and it's very nice for parties, for gatherings, and just a nice decor for your home.